Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, crazy cat artist. A cute little fluffy kitty. Just finding my way around with the shapes and correcting as I go. Each time you put down something new, it can affect what the other part should be. It's almost kind of like a puzzle that you gotta solve, get everything in the right place. Just take it easy, enjoy the process. Lines to position the eyes are really good. And just round circles for eyes to start with. I'm just tweaking up the shapes and finding the form in Kitty's face. Just a lot of fluff on this kitty. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Tell me about yourself or your cat or whatever, what you want to learn about cat drawing. If you give me some ideas, I'll do my best to get them on there, as long as there's something within my realm. And just put video idea right at the beginning in capital letters, and that way I can see it easy. We'll just tweak things up, add suggestions of fur here and there. Shape those eyes a little more. Show that mane. I like to keep it simple. Just a gesture drawing. And it's good to watch my video with me narrating through it, and then also to watch it with the sound turned off, so you're just focusing on what I'm drawing. I like that little smirk I got. Get some tufts on the ears. Yeah, I actually liked the tail before I started mucking around with it. Sometimes you gotta just leave it as is. I like the expression I've captured. Sharpen it up for some whiskers. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you next time.